Beanbag chairs are a comfortable and fun seating addition to any living room, bedroom, or patio. From one-seaters to oversized options that fit the whole family, beanbag chairs come in various styles to suit any space, not just children's playrooms. To find the best beanbag chairs, we research various options while considering factors like price, style, size, and materials. There are numerous options for cheap dorm beanbag chair, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable dorm beanbag chair from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yogibo Short Beanbag Chair. The Yogibo Short is an extremely versatile beanbag chair. Seat a single person, flip it to the side for a love seat, or lay it flat to double as a kid-sized bed. This beanbag chair also conforms to your body for ultimate comfort while you relax, and we love the array of color options. The brand also sells covers separately, so you can switch things up whenever you want. Plus, the cover is machine washable, so it's easy to maintain and keep clean, even for those who have small children or pets. If you live in a small space or apartment, this beanbag chair is compact and lightweight enough to stash away when not in use. Number 2. Lumaland Giant Beanbag Chair. This luxe beanbag chair is a mid-priced option for those who want super comfortable seating for a few family members or friends. At 7 feet long, it's big enough to double as a bed, but might not be suited to smaller apartments. It's also one of the heaviest options on our list at 70 pounds, so if you want something easy to move, we suggest a smaller beanbag chair from our list. The fill is a recycled memory foam that molds to your body, but it does take 2 weeks to expand, as it ships in a compact box. The cover is a cozy micro suede you can remove and toss in the washing machine for easy cleaning. Number 3. CordaRoy Chenille Beanbag Chair. This clever chair doubles as a bed. Just take the cover off to reveal a full-size sleeping pad. Whether you want it for overnight guests, sleepovers, or movie marathons, this pick is one of the most versatile loungers on our list. It can sleep one adult or 2 children, and, unlike air mattresses, it doesn't have a weight limit. We also love that it comes in queen and king sizes, too. The chenille cover is machine washable, cozy, and can go in the dryer for easy cleaning. The brand also offers a lifetime guarantee, ensuring this beanbag chair will stick around for years to come. Number 4. Fatboy Original Outdoor Beanbag. This beanbag chair boasts a durable olefin and sunbrella cover that can withstand UV rays and outdoor conditions, making it a perfect addition next to your patio furniture. Though it's one of the most stylish beanbag chairs we found, the Fatboy is less structured than other options, so if you want to sit upright, consider buying the coordinating frame. At only 15 pounds, you can bring this chair to the beach or pool for comfortable relaxation while on the go. While the cover can stand up to the elements, the brand recommends bringing the beanbag chair inside when it's raining, as this will help keep it in good shape for longer. The cover is also machine washable for easy cleaning season after season. Number 5. Factory Direct Partners SoftScape Dewdrop Beanbag. This beanbag chair is a fun seating solution for small spaces, such as dorm rooms and teen bedrooms. The dewdrop shape and compact size mean this chair easily fits into a corner, ideal for tight living quarters. Students can use this chair for late-night studying, gaming, or relaxing. And though we're partial to the multicolor cover options, there are also solid colors if you want something simple. While this beanbag chair is affordable, the cover isn't removable, so it's spot clean only with this pick. Double-stitched seams keep the beads intact, but the brand also offers replacement beads should your chair lose shape. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.